Keg, and this is
Ernie.
And where are we, Ernie?
In Gadigal Country.
That's
In our home.
That's right, we're on Gadigal land. We live in Redfern. So today, Ernie and I are going to make some books. And so what you'll need to make a book is some paper. I've got some blank paper, and Ernie's got a selection of his drawings. Some cover card, the same size as your paper. A needle and thread. You can use a thick thread or a string. A pair of scissors. A hole punch. I have a 1-hole punch, but you can use a 2-hole punch. A pencil and a ruler. I also have some bulldog clips, which might help hold your paper in place. All right, so the first step is to get your paper and line it all up straight. Good job. So we'll just put those all straight like this, and get your paper, line it up straight, put your cover card on the front and your cover card on the back. That's the front one. That one's the back one.
I can't see my drawing.
Yeah, but that's because they're inside the cover. So we're going to make a cover for your book. That's right. So the next step is to make it all straight and put a couple of clips on the opposite side of the spine. So we want our clips on this side, darling. Do you want to hold the paper in place? That's a good idea. There we go. The next step is to mark some holes along your spine. I'm going to do 3 holes. So I'm doing 3 holes on mine, 2 kind of close to the edge and 1 in the middle. The next step is to get your hole punch and punch these holes. Keep punching holes till you're all the way through. If your book's a bit thick, you can just line it up with using the previous pages. Okay, and now I'll give you a hand with this because it's a little bit difficult. You can help me press it down, okay?
Okay. Right here.
We'll try to do it in the middle, okay?
My hole's there.
Yeah, I know, sweetheart.
Okay.
But we want them kind of even. Oh, it's very tricky, isn't it?
Yeah.
The next step is from the back of your book, you thread your needle through. You stop at the knot you've made in the end of your thread. And then you're going to sew around all the corners like this. That gives you an edge to your book. So, and then you keep sewing around all the edges, keeping your thread straight. And then when you get to the end, you're going to thread your thread around the knot and tie another knot. So you're knotting around your knot, and that keeps it all in place. Trim your thread, and then you're done. There you go. Go through the end hole. All right.
This is my back of my book.
Okay, that's good. Go in this one. And pull it. And then through there. Stop.
Yeah.
So then you have a book. You can take your clips off. And I have a blank little sketchbook. So, and Ernie has a book of his drawings. So what we're going to do next is we're going to decorate the covers. So I've got some coloured paper and some markers.
And googly eyes.
And googly eyes, of course. So then you can decorate the cover any way you like.
A monster.
There you go.
Do you like the ladybugs?
I love ladybugs.
It's eyeballs.
Oh, it's so good.
Does it?
He's a bit cat-like, do you think? There you go.
I was looking cute. That's why I wanted to look cute while I was waiting. This is the front.
Perfect. The back looks good. The front looks great. Okay, are we ready to show everyone our books?
I'll just do the front.
Okay. So,
I got a cat monster.
and I've got a ladybug with googly eyes. So you can decorate your book any way you like.
And I got a hill and sunflower and the sky.
That's so good. I love how you've decorated both sides. So you can decorate your books any way you want, and don't forget to experiment with materials and papers. And, you know, maybe you can make a book for a friend and post it to them.
What?
Right? Thanks everyone for watching. Enjoy making books. Bye.
Bye.